Reagan, where are we?
Mount Baldhead? We are on a mountain.
Mountain?
Snow. Why is it called Baldy when there's like trees everywhere? Oh, it's called Baldy? I thought it was called Baldhead.
Look! I hear people. Okay, let's get out of here. Come on.
Okay. Before we get eaten by white people. Twilight.
Okay, so this is how we get down.
Oh, look, she's down.
I'm stuck. Okay. Hey. Oh shit. Okay. Ow, 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 ow! Ah! My feet.
Are your feet wet?
Yes, they are.
Oh,
That's cold, huh? Okay. Well, this is how I get down. Row, row, row. Okay. Anyways.
Are you recording still?
Whoa!